Metal is a truly wonderful material. You have to see it bent, curved, soldered, and forged here in our first factory in Poissy. Here, many trades come together in order to materialize all the shapes that the designers and our design studio can come up with. Moreover, thanks to years of know-how, the colors that we use permanently keep their brightness outdoors. Just south Lyon, in Anneyron, our second production site, this 24,000 square meters workshop dedicated to aluminum allows us to significantly increase our production capacities. And finally, the third one, in Mâcon, the historical site of fabric manufacturing expertise, where the cushions for the Bellevue collections are made. This is what Fermob is, an industrial and artisanal tool, a manufacturing spirit with the humble ambition of continuously improving.